This is Dither Boy. It creates custom dithering effects for your images, animations, videos, or vector work with bespoke algorithms you won't find anywhere else, available in formats you can use anywhere else. Dither Boy is made for artists, illustrators, animators, and video editors as a fully standalone, one-time purchase software for Mac and Windows. It has no AI features, and we've been pumping out free updates for existing users since February 2025, and we're not stopping anytime soon. As of our latest update, you can now animate your work, try out new effects like epsilon glow or temporal noise, which are both designed specifically for dithering, or you can create your own custom dithering palettes. So whether you're exporting vectors, videos, or stills, your dithering can go where your work goes. Merch design, music videos, logo design, embroidery, engraving, glitch artwork, illustration, print design, and anything in between. Dither Boy is built to fit into your workflow, no matter what kind of creative you are. If you already have Dither Boy, then our version 6 update is all yours at no extra cost, the same as all of the previous update and all of the future ones. But if you are new here, then I will leave everything Dither Boy related linked underneath this video. But if you want to get started with dithering or glitch art or anything I just mentioned, then you're already in the best place for all that stuff.